You think get to that line of trees that we were close to, or that we were this morning?
For an overnight?
No, just to, well, I don't know.
Are we setting up?
Or do you want to be closer to the water?
For today?
Yeah. For tonight. And
if it doesn't rain, the water, but again, this is starting to really push over on us now.
Yeah,
I don't know.
We're going to get wet. Well,
let's get our deal set up for this rain. Is this going to be our overnight as well, or no?
Not necessarily.
All right.
Unless you, what's that mean? You want to try to find the overnight spot?
Well, I think we better get set up for the rain, and then if we need to move it, but I mean, it's going to be dark by the time we get back up here, possibly, depending on how late we. I mean, 7:30, 8 o'clock, them birds will be going to roost, so by that time we might as well come on in. But
it takes a lot to move it. It doesn't take much.
Okay. Just set my stuff aside if you need to. I'm just gonna get it out of your way. Get shots of you building this.
Posterity.
Yeah. That way I can study it and learn how to do it.
Find our bodies.
Right?
Just extend it out a little bit, which I can do.
Let me go give you some slack. Now my stuff is in the road, isn't it? Can you hit that cedar tree?
Yeah. Like we call them cedars or spruces or something.
No, they're not cedars in Montana.
I don't know. Yeah, there's some kind of spruce.
Yeah.
So.
Now, is that going to drain?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
And what we can do.
Good enough or no?
Yeah.
I got some more 550 if you need to extend it to that other tree. You know what songs are running through my head now?
Days of Thunder.
No.
Oh. Living on a Prayer.
Well, that one's, yeah. CCR, man.
Oh,
Who'll stop the rain? Wish I had that on my music. We'd be playing it right now.
I'm sorry, I'm pointing that gun right at you.
Oh, hell, I know you're empty. Pull it. You want to pull it your way a little bit? Or do you want to be like about right there? Hope this, oh, sorry. We're good. I hope it doesn't slide. Let me get on. Might as well just chill for a little bit.
Yeah, I need to spit out.
I can hear the thunder.
Thunder rolls.
Yeah.
Come on, you gotta be thinking of that stuff.
That would be, yes. That's Bob Seger? No.
Oh, Garth freaking Brooks.
Oh, yeah. Wrong
Holy
Thunder
crap.
song.
What's the AC/DC Thunderstruck?
Yeah. No, do not sing that one. Don't go down that road,
Do
dude.
they have one that says Lightning Struck?
No.
What the hell is this?
Buckle?
I have no idea. What is that?
I don't know. Is it off us or not?
I mean, I assume.
It looks like a snap buckle off of something, dude. Let me see. Hang on to it, I guess.
It looks like little tank treads for a toy. What it looks like to me.
Well, by gosh, it does to me, too. You never know what you'll find in the Tongue River breaks.
Well, that come out of probably that freaking
Oh,
raincoat.
that's one of yours from your kids.
Yeah.
Camp is so boring without the kids. Isn't this boring?
So quiet too.
Well, you know how my boots are. They're on the verge of being done here.
You got one little tiny spot where blue's going down. My boots are good dogs.
You cut it right to the edge of here. Cuddle a ditch. Turn that water. Ease out here just a little bit, take a peeky see. Huh?
We could drop it down when we sleep. More like a...
Keep the coyote from running right in there with us. More like a tent. Peek it in the center and pull the four corners down. That's the same little Eno we was using back at main camp. So now we have main camp, base camp 1, base camp 2. This has turned into quite the little excursion to get one of these Merriam's gobblers. Did I say it right, Seth? Merriam's. I added the S. Merriam's, meaning I've got one tag, Seth has 2, so
they're his. He named them.
oh yeah, I like it. All right.
I think it's gonna be a good day because we're all gonna get soaking wet. We're gonna go sit over there, and those jakes are gonna come out, and we're gonna shoot 3 of them. We're all gonna go home with jakes, and I don't care.
Oh, there was a flash, man.
Yeah,
All right.
I've been seeing it.
Oop. Little flash there. So many times you got to do this in your life, Seth?
laying underneath some ponchos somewhere. Giving the old man a lesson in Army life. Except in the Army, we just had little ponchos, and then they wouldn't let you use them. Yeah, there's a little bit of hail in there.
What do you think? About passed, hadn't it? Well, I'll give you an A for that project, that field project you got done. So I think I'm pretty dry.
Mm-hmm.
A little chilly though. I mean,
Well, that's your fault.
the cool thing, I don't hear any rain dripping on this. You picked a good spot. So the storm has passed. We're gonna see if we can slip out here and make a set. Maybe get one of these gobblers to ease out in this field. Where do you think we're gonna go? Water still, or probably close to it. What about that spot where we were this morning?
Yeah, close to that. That's just right out here.
Yeah, it's just down there a ways, isn't it?
Spruce tree. Yeah, and see if I can get eyes on them. Because they've got gobblers with them. Because we only saw 3 hens earlier today.
Right.
So that might be a different group.
Or you may have a couple of them jakes with them or something.
Yeah. I'll give you just a minute.
Tell me when I can come up. Oh my God. Was that 5? 7. Hens, all of them.
I think I didn't see any beards.
What do you think? Is she the only one out there?
That's the only one I see. She went back up into the edge.
Did you get it? Can you sit right beside that other one?
What, right here?
Or scoot right up here beside me?
Yeah.
Come on.
Do you want me to try to film it or not?
I don't care.
Because I'm gonna get this off.
Yeah. Go. You're setting up. Is that her answering me? Yeah. That's all right. Huh? Yeah, no doubt. Well,
all right. You don't want to know what this thing's been through.
is that right?
Oh, with my 3 kids. I'm surprised it's even so one piece.
Well, it sure saved our butt during that thunderstorm. I mean, from the rain and hell and... Oh, let me get this stuff off and start setting this up, and then we'll talk about what happened tonight for a little bit, maybe off the tripod while we're eating. So I'm just gonna talk real quick while I get our supper ready. I'm about to lose shooting light, but got set up on 3 birds tonight. Seth did a real job pulling them around. I got one stopped 35 yards out, but when he stopped, his head was right behind a pine tree. So there was my shot. Hey, you got your lighter? I got one if you want me to dig it out. Anyway, we 3 probably 2-year-old birds, boy, they just tore it up, and they're just pretty much connected end for end. They went over here and roosted about 300 yards away. We crow called and got them to hit right there just a little bit ago. And anyway, we're gonna sleep in our little bivy sacks and sleep on the ground where our rain shelter was today. So it's been an interesting day, to say the least. And really looking forward to tomorrow. It's the most gobblers that we've been into since we started hunting down here. So hopefully tomorrow will bring us good things in the morning. Signing off.